Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a decorate with me. I am going to be styling my breakfast nook for the fall season. I am decorating my home bit by bit because of my schedule between work and our business. I really don't have time to do the whole house at one time. So I decided to do each room bit by bit. I hope you guys do not mind. And I hope you are enjoying the fall videos that I am putting out. So right here, I'm just taking off the items that were on the table, wiping down each of the chargers and the plates. I'm going to kind of stay with the table setting that I already have on the table. I'm just going to add some additional fall decor, and I'm going to show you two different styles. And I would love for you guys to comment down below and let me know which one you like. So before we get into the video, I want to say hello. So glad you decided to stop by the channel today. I hope once again that you are enjoying all the fall videos that I'm putting out. And I want to say thank you for all you guys' support and that I love you guys so very much. And if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and once you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button so you won't miss any of my uploads. So without further ado, let's just jump on into the rest of the video. If you didn't already notice, two of the placemats are different, so I'm going to switch them out and use my Walmart placemats because I love them, guys. They are very economical and I love the design on them. So it's just two places that I have to switch out, and I'm going to do that really quickly. These are just some of the items that I am going to be using in my upcoming tablescape, and I'm just loving all these fall colors. This is an item that I forgot to share with you earlier when I was sharing the decor pieces that I was going to use in the tablescape. This is going to be my centerpiece, and I purchased this from the thrift store, guys. Yes, this was an awesome score from the thrift store because it's only $4.97. It came in its packaging, original packaging, and it had all its paperwork. It is made by Valerie, that is a designer featured with QVC, and it came also with a candle. So this was an awesome find. I was really excited when I found this, and I'm going to be using it as my centerpiece for this tablescape. Guys, this is look number 1, and I am feeling all types of fall vibes from this Tablescape. I am loving the mercury glass and the hurricane there on the table. I am feeling my centerpiece, and of course I am so in love with these amber color goblins. I hope they are pairing well with the Dollar Tree glasses. So I'm just giving you an overview of my Tablescape, and I'm going to go in depth on how I came up with this look, because I had to be a little creative on the place settings, and I'm going to go over that with you guys. So for the first place setting here, I used 2 wooden leaves that I had, and on top of them I set this gold pumpkin from the Dollar Tree. On the next place setting, I use a copper color metal leaf, and on top of that I just place another pumpkin. For the next place setting, I use a larger wooden leaf that could have just been set by itself alone on the place setting, but I end up setting that gold pumpkin. And on the very last place setting, which is, I have to say, one of my favorites, I just used some fall leaves and placed a pumpkin on top of that, and I really do like how that look came out. And of course my beautiful centerpiece, I just love that it is, going really nice with the hurricanes. And I'm going to turn on this candle so you can feel the ambiance, the fall ambiance from the glow of the candle. And yeah, guys, I just love how this look came out. So this is look number 2, and I really didn't do too much. I just switched out the Dollar Tree glasses, and then I just changed out the pumpkins. These are more textured, and they have different shades of color. This is more of a bronze, and the other one is more of a copper color, and I kind of like these glasses better with the amber goblins. But you guys comment down below which was your favorite look. Actually, I'm feeling both looks. I really love how the fall colors are playing off of each other. I love the ambiance of the Tablescape. It just really screams fall to me. So please comment down below which was your favorite and which glasses you prefer best with the Tablescape. Here in the corner here, I just have a pedestal that I placed a plant and added some of those Dollar Tree pumpkins to go along with the Tablescape. I hope you guys have been enjoying all the fall videos. Don't forget to comment down below which was your favorite look. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I would love to have you a part of our YouTube family. And also hit that notification button so you won't miss any uploads. Bye guys.